question on gold.
Mhm.
Why has gold corrected to 4,500? And is there more correction expected in ETFs? Is it good level to add? I think if you can just give outlook, I understand you cannot give a recommendation, but just
Yeah.
tell us what is your take on this situation.
No, definitely. The last move that we saw in gold, right, from 4,500, 4,800 to that 5,500 leg up was so fast. You know, probably it looked like it was not sustainable. It was looking a little stretched given the current circumstances that we have. There was nothing like we saw one down leg in dollar and similarly move reaction in commodities. That is what happened. Actually, it was a trade, anti-dollar trade. Dollar went down sharply from 98 to 96 kind of levels, and commodities across the spectrum moved up. So it was a short dollar, long commodity trade rather than anything fundamentally changing in terms of the gold market or commodity market. So I think the long-term fundamentals why gold has risen are still there. Like you have no response or no answers to the rising deficits and debt in the developed world. Rather, it's going to exacerbate going forward. So I think those dynamics still prevail. Uh, I think it is more to do with market positioning and why gold has corrected, given it was also looking stretched. So I think it's a healthy correction in the long-term structural bull market that we're seeing in gold. Certain commodities, probably it was a run to hard assets like silver, platinum, palladium, copper. Everything started moving up in tandem after gold rallied first, and then all these commodities came and participated, saying that gold has moved so much. What should I buy next? And there was a hard to rush to hard assets from dollar. So I think there was more narrative in commodities and more rush out of dollar into hard assets that led to other commodities doing well. But certain commodities are still looking good. For example, copper looks good. But from a silver perspective, there is more narrative than substance in silver. So I think we still like gold. I think there are structural levers for gold going up in the long run. But I think it may consolidate a bit at current levels or slightly lower than what we are standing today. And probably if someone is under allocated to gold, I think that's a good time to increase your allocation to gold at that point in time. So even we have been tactically even in a multi-asset fund from that perspective, right? When gold really went up, we were trimming our allocation to some extent, smaller extents, and when it will probably consolidate correct, we will add more again. So I think it was more in terms of positioning that led to that run up and then a correction. So I think it's healthy. And probably I don't expect a very sharp downsides in gold from current levels or the lows that we've seen recently in last couple of days. But I think if it gives you an opportunity, you should add more gold to complete your allocation as opposed to going overboard in terms of the allocation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.